What's up guys, it's Ryder. I'm doing a tutorial on this trick right here. It's a pretty simple trick. You only need to know, well, it's a combo, but you only need to know 3 tricks to get this down. It's pretty simple. You need to know the regular fan, the choker fan, and a scissor. So, not very complicated at all. Here's a slow-mo. Alright, so the trick is pretty easy. You go for a fan, and then you just go in a choker, right? Instead of ending the choker off with the thumb rollover, you're going to want to get all the way where your middle finger and ring finger is in this type of position. Then you're going to put your thumb under here, or where this area is, I guess. And you're going to swing it back, and then you're going to grasp it with all your fingers and go for a scissor. That was a bad scissor, but that's fine. So, recap: fan, choker, get in about this area, put your thumb under here, swing it, grasp it with all your fingers, and scissor. So, let me do the trick. I'm not too good at scissors, and I just learned scissors about a week ago, so that's why I'm not too good at them, especially being in that position. But that's the trick, and it's pretty cool. I'll add another slow-mo just in case you're still confused. Just wanted to say, I put 3 links in the description of the 3 tricks you need to learn in order to do what I just did, like 2 seconds ago. Fan, choker, scissor, yeah. So, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped. I know it probably was confusing, and I don't do tutorials very well. I've only done like 4 tutorials, and my old ones sucked really bad. Like, before I had no idea how to do tutorials, and now I can do tutorials, but I can't really explain things very well. So, I'm sorry if you're confused. Yeah, bye-bye.